Hello. Welcome to ضحك.com. ضحك.com. Today we talk about inflation. Inflation is when prices go up, but your salary stays like zero. And you are like, ليش? Okay, imagine this. You have $10. Yesterday, $10 buys you sandwich, juice, maybe chocolate. Today, same $10 buys you sandwich, air. That's it. This is inflation. Ya satir. Part 1. What inflation actually means. Inflation means money buys less stuff than before. It's not that money disappeared. It's still there. It just became weak, like superhero after no sleep. Part 2. Why inflation happens, kid version. One big reason, too much money, not enough stuff. Imagine 10 kids want pizza. Everyone says, I pay more. Pizza price goes up. Same with real life. If people have more money to spend, but factories don't make more things, prices go up. Money is chasing products like, please sell me something. Products are like, okay, but pay more. Part 3. Another reason. Costs go up. If fuel is expensive, electricity is expensive, transport is expensive, then companies say, we must raise prices or we cry. So they raise prices and you cry instead. Khalas. Part 4. Expectations, the sneaky reason. Here is the sneaky one. If everyone thinks prices will go up, they act like prices will go up. Shops raise prices early. Workers ask for more salary. Companies raise prices again. It's like panic, but slow and boring. Economic drama. Mini joke. Inflation is when fear itself has inflation. Even stress is expensive. Wallah. Part 5. Is inflation always bad? Small inflation is normal. Healthy economy has a little inflation. Why? Because it means people are buying, selling, working. But high inflation is bad, very bad. It hurts people with fixed income. It hurts savings. It hurts your mood at supermarket. You look at prices and say, am I shopping or being robbed politely? Ya Rabbi. Part 6. Why kids feel inflation too. Even kids feel inflation. Before, candy for 1 coin. Now, candy for 2 coins. Kid says, this is scam. Kid learns economics early. تعلم بسرعة. Audience interaction. Question. What price shocked you recently? Bread? Coffee? Eggs? Write it in comments and let us be angry together. نغضب جماعيا. Outro. Tired but wise. This was ضحك.com. Inflation means your money is shrinking without shrinking physically. Rude but true. Remember, if you feel angry at prices, congratulations, you understand inflation. Yalla bye.